Hi, boys and girls. How are you today? I have another story to read to you. This one is called The Crayon Box That Talked. And the author is Shane DeRolf. And the illustrator is Michael Letzi. Let me get my glasses so we can begin reading. While walking in a toy store, the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me. And I laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. And when I'd finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said yellow. And green said, so do I. And blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. The end. Do you boys and girls know that word, unique? Unique means really special, just like each one of you is very unique. And there's something special about all of you. Now I was wondering if you have a box of crayons at your house that you could get out and try all the different colors and see if you can draw a picture of something today. So why don't you find your crayons and dump them out like she did in the story and make a picture. I'd love to see the picture you make. Maybe you can send me a picture of it. I thought we could make some sun catchers. We're going to make some flower sun catchers. So you could either use a coffee filter. Maybe your mom or dad have these to use when they make coffee. If you don't have a coffee filter, you can use a paper towel. Then you're also going to need your markers and a paintbrush and a little cup of water. I'm going to take my flower pattern and I'm going to either lay it on the coffee filter. Oh, and I forgot to say we need our scissors. Now, if you're having a hard time cutting out your flower, maybe your mom or dad can help you. So you're just going to cut out the flower shape either from the coffee filter or fold the paper towel and you can cut it out this way around the paper towel. Now I already have a few that I've cut out. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some of my markers. I'm going to pick some of the bright colors to use. Now, you're going to want to do this on something. I'm going to put mine in this pan instead of laying it right on the table. What do you think might happen if I did markers on the table? Yeah, I'd get it all over the table. So I'm going to lay it in here. I have a little piece of wax paper in there. And then I just take my markers and I start coloring. So I'm going to just try a lot of different colors. I'm going to put some green all around the edges. I'm doing circles, but you can do anything you want. Then I'm going to put some pink, and I'm going to make the pinks little squiggly lines. And then I'm going to take some purple, and I'm going to put some purple up over the top like that. You can do it any way you want. You just want to make sure you get some of the marker colors all over the flower. Then I'm going to take some orange, and I'm just going to do a little line of orange, like a circle around in the middle, like that. And I think I want yellow for my center. So I'm going to just color in the yellow. All right, now what we have to do next is use our water with our paintbrush. So we're going to get the paintbrush wet, and then we're going to start painting with the water. Ooh, look what happens to the colors. Do they kind of blend together when we use the water? Look at that. Ooh, that's kind of pretty, isn't it? Okay. And you can make as many of these as you want. Now you're going to have to be a little patient to wait on them to dry. They'll take a while. But when they get dry, you can hang them up in your window with a little piece of tape, and the sun will shine right through them. They'll look really pretty. Would you like to see how they look in the window? Let me show you. What do you think? Do you like them? And you can make as many as you want to decorate your window.